Hello friends, I am Sunanda. Welcome to my channel Sunu Soulful Cooking. Since this is my first video, I would like to start with a sweet dish. It's everyone's favorite and one of the simplest dishes to make, carrot halwa. Come, let's make yummy carrot halwa. I generally prefer red carrots to make carrot halwa. They have a natural sweetness and we can reduce the amount of sugar that we add while making the halwa. These red carrots are widely available during winter season. Peel and grate the carrots. I always discard the white center part of the red carrots. Heat a heavy bottom pan. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Then add the carrots. Four cups of grated carrots, about 8 to 9 long carrots. Saute it for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add 2 cups of milk. Cook on medium flame till the milk is reduced and completely absorbed by the carrots. Keep stirring at intervals to prevent sticking at the bottom. Add a pinch of salt and half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Then add half cup of sugar. Mix well and cook till the sugar is completely dissolved and the halwa thickens. When the halwa reaches this consistency, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Turn off the flame. Finally, add chopped nuts. Here I have added cashew nuts, almonds and pistachios. Yummy carrot halwa is done. If you liked my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.